Assalamualaikum viewers. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Professor Siglan Kazmi. I have done my MS and MBA from Muhammad Ali Jinnah University, Islamabad. I am working as a teacher of accounts and finance at Wagh College of Accountancy in Wagh Kent from last 15 years. Wagh College of Accountancy is a leading institute of chartered accountancy. My teaching exposure is to teach MBA, MCOM, PIFA, ACCA, and BCom. My specialization area is accounts and finance. Currently, my thousands of students are serving in a market as professionals. Teaching is my passion. While working as a teacher, I realized some issue. For example, a lot of students come to me from my own institute as well as from other institute, and they demand for time to discuss different issues relating to accounts and finance. But due to my busy schedule, I am unable to give them efficient time. Another big issue that I realized, there is a tuition mafia in society. They are exploiting the society. They just memorize the questions to students for paper passing. They do not work on student conceptualization model. But I personally have strong belief on classroom teaching and self-study. That's why I do not like tuition, because tuition kills the element of creativity and self-learning in students. Creativity and self-learning develop conceptualization model in a student. As a teacher, there is a social responsibility on me to contribute towards society. So, I decided to launch my own YouTube channel, my own website, and mobile application for students. It has been named as an Online Student Point. Online Student Point is a dynamic and unique YouTube channel. It focuses on a paradigm shift from conventional study to virtual learning. Online Student Point will facilitate the student around the world and also my class student who whenever get problem in study can go to my YouTube channel Online Student Point, listen my lecture and learn. One more thing which is more special about the Online Student Point is for those students who cannot attend regular college due to financial problem or the ones who are doing jobs. Subscribe my channel, listen my lecture, and visit my website, and you can get notes and ebooks. Online Student Point is now ready to bring learning to you at any time, anywhere. Let's learn accounting and finance conceptually, because concept never die. For career growth, you must have unique knowledge and skill. Otherwise, you will be an ordinary graduate. We also provide you online lecture on my online academy, notes, books, solved old paper, and much more on my website and mobile application. At last, do not forget to install our mobile application Online Student Point, subscribe my YouTube channel Online Student Point, and visit my website www.onlinestudentpoint.com. Thank you very much.